Hi, I'm Joe, and you're watching The Joke. So, in my 3D work, like in my 2D work, I'm not good at making living things. I can't draw them, I can't model them. Plants may be an exception. But since I can't do that, it got me thinking, why not do what I did in elementary school when I couldn't draw a human? I decided to draw stick figures. So if I can't model a human, why not model a stick figure? So now you're watching the speed model of the Stick Armature Model, a.k.a. S.A.M. Later on, I'll be posting a commentary version of this video, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned and enjoy the video. So there you have it, S.A.M, fully rigged up and ready to animate. If you like that, you can check out my Sketchfab. There I have most, if not all, of my 3D models posted. Sadly, you won't be able to download this model on Sketchfab, or purchase it on CG Trader. However, there's a variety of models free to download off Sketchfab, and for purchase on my CG Trader page. So if you're looking for something for your games and animations, check them out. Links will be in the description below. And if you like this video and want to catch more, click right here to your left, where I have a playlist of all the 3D models I've done. Or maybe you just want to see the last 3D model I did. Well, then you can click right here to your right. Or if you want to see the next thing I'm doing, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and joke out!